Grundfos Thermal Scan, for me, is keeping accidents at bay. Preventing accidents is crucial to safety at my facility and to avoiding unplanned downtime, which is expensive and inconvenient. With a Grundfos Thermal Scan, certified specialists from Grundfos use professional infrared cameras to detect any elements in my control panel that are at risk of overheating, posing a fire hazard, or risk of failure. I get a full report on any critical elements, as well as a rating of the urgency, so I know what to attend to first in order to keep my facility safe. If an issue is easily fixable, they will even do that on the spot. Don't risk overheating in your production. Get a Grundfos Thermal Scan.